When it storms in the field, I move with the sound. I'm turning losses into lessons, my scars were a crown. Big giant in this field, they just mimic the ground I walk on. I'm the best to ever do it, and that's pound for pound. Can't take any from ghosts who never crossed out of bounds. Got oceans in my chest, cause my brother drowned. I don't flinch at the haters, I silence the crowd. I'm on that mark time, pieces violent and loud. Put my pain in the dirt, now my roots intertwine. Now I'm the current in the wave, I'm like God, keep the flow in line now. Every line cinematic, dog, Patrick Swayze in his prime now. Jake Kidd with precision, dropping dimes now. Feel like John Stockton, better yet Paul. Vision so pure I can pass through it all. I done seen the rise, I done seen the fall down. Still past the sight just to answer that call. For my brother, I whisper through thunder. My mother eyes mirror all the pain that we're under. Ain't no rebuttal when you wrestle with the struggle, but I lived it cause I'm built. All my trauma turned to muscle.